So now we're down into the ankle area for mobilization. This young woman is going to have full ankle mobility just like everything else. What I liked about our Maitland book is it did emphasize the need to have the ability to absorb a lot of axial torque, and the emphasis on the subtalar joint was good for me. I think so many times we have seen us older therapists pushing into plantar flexion or dorsiflexion using the end of the metatarsals, and of course we can overstretch the end part of the foot and not really focus much on the subtalar joint or the mid joint. So really appreciate this aspect of trying to work on plantar flexion. They call it just plantar flexion for Maitland, but I actually think of it more as more of a mobilization, where I can localize just anterior to the tibialis, to the tibia and have a nice grip, I think, on top of the navicular. It's hard for me to tell through the tendons and bones, tendons and ligaments, but I think it's top of navicular, and I can have my thumbs here, and I like how I can then do a much more specific, well, not dorsiflexion in this one, but plantar flexion using the mobility of the entire leg, which is nice. So I can do what I think of as a 3. It doesn't look like 3 because the knee's not going, but I can feel the motion under my forefingers. I don't have strong enough hands to do it like the Maitland book where they're just one on either side. I actually have to have one on top of the other to help my strength. I can feel the motion, plantar flexing, that's pretty much the limit there. And that's pretty much the limit into dorsiflexion there. So I believe this is a 3. And then on her case, I would then move into a 4 level. I like not doing it this way. I like using the leverage of, there you go, the tibia, to get that end range at 4. It's quite nice. It's easy to switch into using my thumbs more than the leverage, but I like that. And that's 24s. Okay, I need to change the camera angle to be able to do the other 2 mobilizations of the ankle.